Screw it. Those are on the bottom. We'll leave them there. This thing, let's see, we'll just go round robin, right? Here, start with this one. Ooh, that one's not as long. Great. Some of these are different sizes. Shit. Is this the same size as those? Okay, those ones are the same size. Maybe this one doesn't have to come out then, because it's not all the way through. That's what I'm going to try to do. The ones that go all the way through. Obviously, this doesn't matter unless I'm crazy. Hear me out here. Let's see if I can get this back out with my fingers. If that's only going in that far, it probably doesn't do anything other than hold the water pump on. It's not into the block. So we're going to put that back on, just to be smart. And then we're just going to take the ones out that go all the way through. That way we don't have any problems. So let's see what this one does. Oh shit. Crap. Oops. Dang it. What did I do? Oh, that sounds cool. So that's kind of funny. What happened here is the socket won't fit through there, so probably gonna have to take that thing off first. Dang it. What a stupid thing to deal with. Gosh dang it. I deal with stupid crap like this all the time, because I don't know what I'm doing. We're gonna screw that all the way back in, just so we can take this out. Put that back on there. And then we're gonna undo this with hand. We'll watch, this one doesn't go all the way through either, but you know what I have? I have a locked drawer. I don't know why this ever does that. But I'm gonna close this. We're gonna move that to the floor. Move it to the floor. Right in my way. Just like I want it to be. And then we're gonna open this so that we can open this. And we need a 13. These things are sweet. Little swivel head thing. That's tightening it, and we don't want to do that. So this is how we're doing this. This will take all day. All right, we're just using my fingers. Fingers are faster in this case. Dang it, it's not even, it can't come out without the frickin' belt tensioner removed. Crap. Well, you know what? I don't think that bolt goes very far. It doesn't matter anyway. It's not going anywhere. It's out of the thing, so my nose itches. So we're fine. That's fine. We'll leave it there. That bolt's not going anywhere. Now, this thing is, what is that? Power steering pump, probably? I think it is. So we got more bolts to remove here. Got more bolts to remove. Where's my Oh, here it is. Yeah, it is. Sure it is. Okay, we need to get that guy. Can we reach it? That's the question. I think so. Oh, maybe don't tighten it, you dummy. You're trying to loosen it. Yeah. Crap, same issue here. Everything's in the way of everything. And that is why mechanics make so much money. Charge so much money. I don't think they make a lot. Poor fellas. All right. Just gonna take that out the rest of the way by hand. Dang it, that's another short one. It doesn't go all the way through. I don't know if I need to take any more bolts off, actually. I feel like that might be most of them. So I'm just gonna put this back because clearly that's not holding this thing on. That might just be the water pump, which we're gonna remove later. So let's do this one. How long is this? How long are the bolts? Is this game? Come on. Oh, come on. Gosh dang it. Dag nabbit. Oi. Use this instead. Use this instead. There we go. Now, will this stay here? Oh, geez, that's risky. That's tight. Maybe that was my problem. I'm a dummy. I think I was tightening that. Is that another short one? It is! So it's going back. Well, this will make it easier, I guess, when I'm not stupid. I think those just hold the water pump on, you know? So let's skip the water pump ones. And try to find another that goes all the way through to the block. Because that's really what we're here for. Is to try to remove this from the block. Alright, so I think these might go. That one goes all the way through, you can see. This one does not. I can put my finger behind it. And that one might. I think that one does. Does it or does it not? Let's see. Uh-oh. Oh. Well, that's frustrating. I don't want to break my impact tool. It can't be that weak. All right, we're gonna have to break these free with my hand. Do-do-do-do. Isn't this fun? Isn't this just fun? All the fun we're having here. Lefty loosey. That's this way. All right, that one's good. Break it loose. All right, that one's good. Now, Cheater mode. Cheater mode. Is it a long one? I think it is. Haha, oh shit. Holy shit. That one's extra long. That's what she said. All right. Wow, that's like split right there too. That's weird. Clean that crud up. I'm just gonna leave that in there. I'm gonna go to this guy here. Okay, we don't want to get stuck there again. Okay. I think we got them all. We got these ones, we got these ones, that one. That one did I do something with that? That was a short one, right? Yeah, that one's out. I don't know if these ones need to come out. No, that was a short one. That one's probably a short one too. Okay. I guess now we peel that away and see if we've got more, if we get them all. Got them all. So, how does this work? I don't know if I took all the bolts out. We got one here. Yep, that one's out. We got this one out, that one out. Got that one out. Now maybe we just hammer that a little. Oh, I moved this over here. I don't need to walk that far. Maybe that's what we'll do, is just hammer this back a little bit. Nope, it's still bolted on there. Can you hear that? That's kind of cool. I think it's still bolted on there. Yeah, so I'm gonna go figure that out. Next time on Automobuilds, we'll pull the rest of this thing off. I just gotta watch a couple videos or look at a diagram. That's what we're gonna do. So anyway, thanks for stopping by once again. It's a long video of me not making much progress, but that's how we roll here. That's how we roll. Once this is done, it's gonna be done right. And we're gonna go fast, vroom vrooms, afterwards. So yeah, thanks for stopping by. We'll see y'all next time. I'm gonna go get cleaned up, hang out with the girlfriend, and we'll be back with more building on Automobuilds. Bye!